Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw perfect brows without carving. You can see my brows are uncarved, so first I'm going to use my fingers to arrange my brows and keep the hairs out of the way, and then I'm going to prepare my face with a facial cleanser and a vitamin C serum. Make sure to allow your face to dry before drawing your brows. I'll start by drawing the upper and lower lines right under where the hairs of my brows stopped, and then fill. I'll go over to my right brows, arrange and do the same. I'll then mix my Pro concealer and foundation together to get a perfect tone that can conceal the hairs at the upper and lower edges of my brows. I will conceal to get the shape of the brows I want. Make sure to conceal well to be able to hide those hairs. Feel free to use your eye pencil to adjust if you make any mistake. So I'll go over to my right brows and do the same. I'm going to go in with my foundation to blend the concealer out and achieve a more uniform look. I'm done with my brows, guys, and to finish up my look I'll just do a little makeup. And that brings us to the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful or not. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.